Hey everyone, Dr. Elaine Stoggerberg here. I am so excited to welcome you to Blueprint 2026 Visioning Workshops to design your next level. This is my absolute favorite week of the year. Each year over the past about 6 years, I've gone live for goal setting and visioning, and I love to do it the week before Thanksgiving when we have the opportunity to really reflect on the past year and get ourselves into the right mindset for the coming year. And we do that before all of the craziness of the holidays. I find in my own life and in the lives of hundreds of people that I've worked with, that you go into that new year with so much momentum. This is the difference between finding that life is just slipping by and you ask that question, where did the month go? Where did the year go? Worse yet, where did the decade go? Even worse yet, where did my life go? We don't want that. What we want is a life by design, a life with intentionality, a life with purpose. And these visioning workshops are the ticket. It is an absolute honor to share them with you every year. I hope you'll join us live. It's free workshops. We're going live on Monday, November 17th, Tuesday, November 18th, Wednesday, November 19th, and Thursday, November 20th. We'll go live at 7 p.m. Central. Each workshop will last about an hour, 75 minutes. Join us live with your camera on, engaged if you're able to. If you need to have that camera off and just kind of listen in as you're taking care of kids or clinic or whatever it is, we totally get it. Get as much out of these workshops as you possibly can. There's a workbook that will be provided for you. There's a Facebook community for tons of support and engagement along the way. The replays will be made available the very next morning after each call so that you can always stay up to speed. Each workshop is designed to function independently. So don't worry if you're not able to make it one night. Catch that replay whenever you're able to, but come to whatever night live you're able to because each workshop functions on its own and stands alone. I'm excited about what we've put together. Each year, I take this proven framework and I make it even better. I go back to the drawing board and I really focus on what's working in my life and what's the feedback I'm getting from the hundreds of people that do the workshop each year so that I can really hone in the things that are going to maximize your time and move the needle for you. I'm excited to be together next week, November 17th through the 20th. You can register at allset.mykajabi.com/visioning. That's allset.mykajabi.com/visioning. That link is right here in the description as well. It's free to register, share with your friends. You'll get the Zoom links, the workbook, the replays, all of the goodness. It'll go straight to your email. We're excited to have you. I can't wait until next week. I can't wait to see what you're creating in 2026. I'm turning 40 in 2026, and I'm telling you, I've been thinking about this year for the last 5 years and really making this the best year yet in my life. And I want to share that goodness with so many of you as possible. I want you to be there. I look forward to seeing you there, seeing all of your friends. We're going to create a masterpiece. We're going to create a ton of magic together. allset.mykajabi.com/visioning. We go live. Our first day is Monday, November 17th at 7 p.m. Central. See you there, my friends.